Hello friends, how are you? I am here to share my views of Kibo Code Quantum. Did you hear about that? Don't worry, I will explain it. Do you want to know complete details about the Kibo Code system? Yes, it would be a good move. Knowing and understanding the course blueprints, strategies, and application software before purchasing the program is a good move. In my case, I try to spend some time knowing and understand the course approach before purchasing it. Then only I confirm does this program be right for me or not. I look for reviews, case studies, and some cases to get the course with a discount price by Googling. When I initially heard about the Kibo Code system, I thought it's a non-working and old rehashed strategy. But it's not like that, let me tell you why. By the way, I'm pleased to see you in this Kibo Code review post. So, can we start the Kibo Code program evolution right now? I try to reveal that secret traffic source and my assumption on revenue and profit inside the members area overview section. I hope you're more excited to know more details. The Kibo Code is the latest e-commerce based training system by Aidan and Steve Clayton. The basic concept behind this program is to help people to build their own $100,000 plus per month income through e-commerce stores. Aidan, Steve, and their beta students tested and succeeded before sharing this with the public. How did I get into this Kibo Code course? 3 years ago, I was looking for a way to make some money to supplement my regular earnings. Such extra income can feed my family, and we can live smoothly. I had thought on a part-time side job sometimes. Yet, I was not too fond of that choice since it would take me far from my family. That makes me more upset, and most likely, it pays less. I wish to have the ability to work from home. I had surfed the web for many days and had thought about the concept of taking a part-time job on the internet world. I had checked out some data using the internet and found that the increasing trend of e-commerce business. Same period I read a news bulletin which says that a massive part of Christmas shopping done over the web around the world. I shared and discussed this topic on my Facebook wall. One of my FB friends, I forget his name, shared about a training called 100K Factory Revolution, a course by Aidan and Steve Clayton. I am hungry to learn more about online selling strategies. I invested some of my hard-earned money into this training system with the hope of a high return on investment (ROI). I chose to jump in with both feet to know how I can sell online and make some profits to support my family. My decision was not wrong, and I gained a massive profit within a period of 65 days. Expressing my feelings about those days in this article is not possible. I was double happy and partied with my family. And nowadays earning much profit than my full-time job and thinking about quitting it and focusing only on this online business. This January Steve Clayton and Aidan are going to host more advanced e-commerce business training called the Kibo Code Quantum. So I decided to try and make an in-depth write-up on this training system. I believe in Aidan, Steve, and their blueprints. So, that's why I decided to buy their new Kibo Code system. So, now I'm inside the course and ready to test this new opportunity. But before I get into that, you will need to know what e-commerce is and how this business model can help you to build a profitable online business. Purchasing and selling of services, products, sending of information, or funds over an electronic network. Mainly the internet web is what called e-commerce, electronic commerce or EC. E-commerce has become one of the most common kinds of online businesses. The market began growing when people started to share electronic files in the 1980s, followed by the launch of sites like Amazon and eBay in the 1990s. What is the Kibo Code course? The Kibo Code is an 8-week e-commerce-based training program by Aidan and Steve Clayton. They reveal how to make money online using a unique style of e-commerce business. Steven and Aidan made millions of dollars over the past couple of years completely using the same strategy. We get a program that's stable, unique, predictable, profitable, results proven. The Kibo Code course is entirely a different training program. Its results are much faster and more accessible for people to put in place compared to other e-commerce methods. Even a newbie who has no previous experience can start this business. The Kibo Code Members Area Overview. This training system contains 8 core modules that teach students A to Z about the business model. These pieces of training are held live, so I can't describe much about them in detail. Anyway, let me point out what I can see in the members area. In the members area, you will get good training, application software, homework materials, and resource contents. If you are looking for a way to build a passive profits e-commerce business, this coaching program will help you. I highly recommend this e-commerce-based training program to my friends and colleagues. I'm pretty much sure they will like it. Did you want to know more about this course? Then follow the link in the description.